Guys, welcome back to our channel Cricket Expert. In this video I will tell you how to get X3 key in Arceus. So I will tell you about how to get X3 key in this app. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more and more interesting videos. So let's start this video. So many of users of you facing this problem that don't get X3 key. So first of all, open your Play Store, and in Play Store you need to search VPN, and after searching VPN you need to install a VPN there. So which VPN is best? So you need to install Turbo VPN. So Turbo VPN you need to first of all install in your device. So I have already installed this VPN. So let's go back, and now after this you need to open the secure VPN and click on connect. So you need to click on Turbo VPN and click on connect, and after this connecting start you need to connection request is set and you need to OK. So you need to give it a connection request, and after this click on free service with ad. So click on this option, and after you click on this option a new page will open, and your VPN will be connected to the service. And after service connected you need to follow next step. So in next step what you need to do, so you need to open the Arceus X Roblox app and click on the get key. You will see the key system is working now, and after working key system you need to follow that complete the key verification process, and your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe our channel for more and more interesting videos.